The Celestron AstroMaster 130EQ Reflector Telescope, designed for beginners, offers an impressive blend of user-friendly features and powerful viewing capabilities. Its fully coated 130mm glass optic objective lens, coupled with two eyepieces of 20mm and 10mm, allow for magnifications of 45 times and 90 times respectively, providing clear and bright images of celestial and terrestrial objects. The telescope comes with an AstroMaster German Equatorial manual mount, which includes two slow-motion control knobs for precise adjustments, making it easier to track objects across the night sky. This telescope is not only great for nighttime viewing, but can also be used for land-based viewing during the day. Setting up the telescope is quick and does not require any tools, and it comes with a pre-assembled tripod with 1.25-inch steel tube legs for stability. As a bonus, Celestron includes a Starry Night Basic Edition astronomy software package, offering interactive sky simulations, printable sky maps, and a 36,000 object database for planning observing sessions.